How to make a flower with the coffee filter. We need pipe cleaner, green one. Water, cups, 12 coffee filters for 1 flower. Pencil, scissors, and blue and purple acrylic paint, eyedropper, and also glue. First of all, divide your 12 coffee filters into 3 parts. And fold your filters for 4 times. Draw the petal in the shape of a butterfly. Cut around your butterfly. Unfold your filters and cut between the butterflies. Now get the paints and mix with water in the cups. Drop blue paint around parts of the petals. Fill in any white space remaining with purple. Let it dry for 1 to 2 hours. Next step is to twist 2 pipe cleaners together. And bend down the end of pipe cleaner about a 1/4 inch, creating a closed U shape. Push the single end of the pipe cleaner through the center of one of the coffee filters. Scrunch up the bottom center of the coffee filter, pushing it so that it's forming a V shape. Hold the coffee filter until it stays glued in place. For the last few coffee filters, scrunch the coffee filters down in the opposite direction, making an upside-down V. You can add hot glue to the bottom of the last coffee filter to make them easier to connect. Also, you can draw different shapes of flowers.